Hey, Kelly Staggs here with American Irrigator, giving you the tips that hopefully are going to make you a better irrigator. Today is going to be tips on ditching on a slope. Stay tuned. I like to give you real world scenarios, things that I run into every single day that might end up helping some of you guys that are new or just getting started, whatever it is. What we've got here is we've got a little bit of a slope. It's not a bad slope. Or real extreme or anything like that, but I got to thinking this might be a good tip that would help some of you guys. Is when you're going to ditch on a slope, what you want to do is you want to look at the particular ditcher that you're using and see where the ditcher is going to discharge the dirt. So this one here, it's coming off the right side, and so when you figure out which side the dirt's coming on, I've got another one that goes out the left. But what you want is that dirt to fall downhill. And so what I did is I actually was ditching this other way, and I turned around and went down to that end, started there, so that dirt falls downhill. Because if you went the other way, when you ditch it uphill, a lot of this dirt's gonna fall back in your ditch. But when you ditch and have that dirt going downhill, the dirt's gonna fall downhill and your ditch is not gonna fill up as much. So when you're ditching on a slope, you want the dirt to fall downhill. So you want to turn your ditcher and ditch in a way that's what's going to happen. That's today's ditching tip of the day. Hopefully making you a better irrigator. How to ditch on a slope. Have a good day.